Hey Savvy friends, it's Stephanie with Savvy Girl Saves. Happy Mini Monday. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be working in the Mini Monday binder. Whew. I hope that doesn't set the tone, man. Our word's going to be hard today. So if you're as excited as I am, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And let's get going. You'll find links to all the things down and below. All the creators, Amazon things I like, nails I like, greens I like. What else? Join my mailing list. That's all down below. All right, let's get started. I got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, I had much more than I remembered I put in here on Friday. So this must be because it's the last freebie Friday. Last mini Monday of the month, and I want to get some of these finished, so I think I budgeted a little bit extra just to help get some of these funded and closed and into my sinking funds. So I have a 3-sided die here. I am going to just I'm just going to roll and put however many dollars are due, however many bills this rolls into here, and we're going to start on number 3 because that's looks like where we finished. All right, let's get going. So how was your weekend? Ours was good. Oh my God, if it's going to be $1 a roll, a $1 bill a roll, we're going to be here a while, people. We had a really good weekend. Just kind of relaxed and hung out. My dad came over on yesterday, which was great because I finally got to give him his Father's Day gift, which he loved. I also crocheted him a new blanket because I bought him a new recliner for Christmas. And he didn't have a blanket to match, so I crocheted one. But that was it. We just kind of relaxed and hung out, and I don't know. We ordered pizza and salad. It was a good day. It was a good weekend. But it's Monday. It's the end of the month. It's the last day of the month. If anybody works in the type of job where it's the end of the month, oh my God, it's the end of the month. I do. I don't subscribe to the end of the month hustle, but my office does. Everything's got to get done. No, I do it consistently every day for all the other days of the month. I'm not hustling any harder today than I hustle any other day of the month. So that's my mind. Well, we got to get all the money in. No, it's all been put in. No different than it was yesterday or the day before. And tomorrow will be another day, and it'll be the first of the month, and we'll just put the money in then. Like, it's not, I don't subscribe to any type of work hustle. I used to, but not anymore. Not anymore. I'm too old for that. All right, let's see. What else is going on? What else is going on? Not really much. 1, 2. Wow, this is a lot of money. 1, 2. All right, I got 1 left, so we're going to put it in here, which is number 5. So next week, we're going to start on number 6. I know at my Freebie Fridays, we cleaned out that binder. I'm not going to do that with this one. I'm not going to clean it out. I'm just going to finish what I can and roll over into the next month what I can. I do have some July challenges cut out. I'm not cut out. I have some July challenges like set up and ready to go to put in here, if any finish. All right, let's check this out here. Let's see. I feel like I'm all thumbs today. I'm drinking my greens, but it's over there on my other desk. All right, so let's see what we got. We got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Why did I feel like I counted that wrong? 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yes, and this only needed 14 to finish. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 4 rollover. Oh my God, do I ring the bell? Ring-a-ding, ding, ding, Joe. My family is sleeping. So we're gonna try to be quiet. All right, let's see. Put this here. Let's color these in. Oh my God, $50. I'm so excited. This is from Creative Ink Scribbles, and they're on Etsy. I have so many of these. Their sets are like $2, and you get like 80 challenges. It's great. This one is going to car maintenance. Oh, why didn't I bring any paper clips? All right, we're going to put this here. Let me get some paper clips. I don't know why I do this to myself. You know why? Because in the beginning, I didn't really need them because I didn't have any to finish. Well, I've been doing it long enough now. Oh, let's get another challenge. let's see. I have this one here. Hold, please. Okay, I have this one here from Bookish Mama Budgets, and we're gonna do each one for $1. And we're gonna put this one towards, I'm not sure. Well, I'll come back and I'll go through my funds and see which one needs money. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one got 4. How cute is this little 4th of July ham cake bear? Oh my God, with the berries. Isn't that adorable? Bookish Mama Budgets. This is on her Etsy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go get you some. I got a couple of these here lined up to go. I should take them out. Well, some of them are for Freebie Friday. They go in that binder. All right, let's see. Next one, Savings with Tracy. This one is going to healthcare. I don't know if we're going to finish this one or not. It's what's been going on for a while, but that's okay because it's a save 63. 63 bucks is good in healthcare. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice. Nope, still not done yet, but that's okay. We're going to do a 5 and a 5. So we do have a short week. That's kind of sweet because Friday is the holiday if you live in the U.S. I don't even know if I have any international viewers. I have no idea. But yeah, it's Friday. Friday's the holiday, 4th of July. Anybody have any plans? All right, this one is Norella's Budgets. Let's see what we got. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I was hoping to finish this one in June, but that's okay. No worries, Nori. We'll finish it in July. It's all right. This one's going to car. Everything's going to car. Car and healthcare, car and healthcare, car and healthcare. That car maintenance needs to be bumped up. And as in maintenance, I mean everything. Registration, title. Well, no, that's not true. Registration, oil changes, like anything related to the car comes out of this. I don't separate the categories for the car. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, $18. All right, let's see what we got in here. This is from MissNeat.net. She is on Etsy only. Wow, and this needed, let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to finish. And that's what we got. Ring-a-ding-ding-dingy-do. Finish, 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 finish. All right, and this goes to my husband's sinking fund. Thank God, because there is a Mets game that he wants to go to. I think I told y'all about that alumni game. He wants to go. He wants to go. Let's see what we got. I think I put her July one. Yep, I put July right here, and we are going to put this one towards, I don't know yet. Why are we trying to decide? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I did go through and get some challenges ready. All right, so we got, let's see. Let's do this one. 4. This is a whole year. It was a couple bucks, but you got she does for a whole year. She does it with amounts and without amounts, and I bought both. Because you know me, I'm extra. So we got 4. No more 4s. 5, 6, 7, 8. How much money do we have here? Oh my God, I already forgot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there we go. 8 and 8. For that one. All right, what do we got in this one? This one is number 5. Oh, this one's gonna finish for sure, right? This is from Buttercup Budgets. And this is a mix of freebies and purchase ones where my Fridays are always free, or they're always freebies. But sometimes I do buy on Etsy, so Monday is kind of a mix of both. But this was free on her Ko-fi. So we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ring-a-ding-ding-ding-a-do. Whoa. This is going to Escrow, which is coming up soon. They're about to take the July payment for the taxes, which is fine because there's enough in there for that now, but this is going to help fund it for what they're going to take in January when the assessment comes. Anyway, all right, this goes here like this, and we got how much left? I don't have another challenge in there. Oh, let's do this. See, I already set this one up. This is from Budgeting with Jenny. Oh my God, it's so small. Budgeting with Jenny. This is a whole set also. I just found it when I was cleaning out my challenges and organizing everything. So I don't have it marked to what it's going to go towards, but this is going to be a save 45, and I have 4. So let's color this one right here in the middle. I organized all my challenges. I posted a picture on here of what am I doing? I posted a picture on here of look at the ottoman, because I was watching TV while I was doing it, and how I organized them, and I found all of my like monthly challenges like this. I'm like, oh my god, why am I not even using these? This is crazy. All right, this is Sarah Saves 07, and let's see how much this got. She puts out these freebies 3 at a time. These are so cute. They're sarcastic. June finally sun. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. And it only needed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to finish. So we got a 5 and a 6. Ring a ding, ding, dingy do. All right. So what do we got in here? I didn't write the totals on any of them. Again, Stephanie. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh my goodness. $20, and this is going to my husband. Husband, car, health. All right, let's just count these up real quick. I should have done that. Sorry, friends. Let's see. We got 20, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That was not a good count. 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Oh my goodness. Happy Monday. All right, this one is, oh, save 30. We already got it on here, but I better circle it just so I know. Let me count, make sure there's 30. 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. What? How am I short $1? 10, 15, 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Whatever, 30. Here we go. You know we just make it work for people. It's not cheating, making it work. All right, and the last one is 50. I'm so excited about this one. There's also blank ones, so I put one in my roll and save. 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, perfect. Why do I always forget to count and write at the end? I don't know. All right, what are we gonna put in here? Let's see what we got. I put a bunch in here. Let's do this one. No, I already have a savings with Tracy in mind. Let's do this one. This is Saving Dough with Key. She is the OG popper. Pop, pop. I saw the pop from her. We're going to make each ladybug $1, and I will mark what this goes to off camera because I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Saving Dough with Key. Go check her out. She's a riot. Oh my God, she's so funny. She's got beautiful fingernails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Beautiful fingernails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna fast forward y'all through this. Okay, friends, that one is all set. Yep, Saving Dough with Key. She's got a whole bunch with different animals. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be a save 30 when it's done. Sweet. All right. Now we're gonna put these in the ding-a-ding-ding bag and take care of the finish challenges, and then we're gonna update the 1 month ahead. Which is going to be a quick update, but that's okay. All right, so we finished 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my God, how exciting. Let's lay these out so Stephanie can have a really pretty thumbnail. 4 with the ding, ding, ding. Let's feature Tracy. I ordered the 2 bags. I hit 500 subscribers. Oh my God, I woke up to it on Friday. No, I woke up to it. No, I posted my Friday video, and I said I was almost at 500. But by the time I posted it, I was already at 500. So, oh my God, I'm blown away that 500 people like me enough to hit the subscribe button. That just blows my mind. 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally blows my mind. So I ordered the 2 bags because I'm going to do a bag for me and a bag for a giveaway for these. So I don't know how about we're going to do the giveaway. I did talk to Lindsay, Bookish Mama Budgets, my girl, and she gave me the rundown on how to do a giveaway. So I'm excited about that. All right, let's put this one away and take this one out. This is the 1 month ahead. I was going to say, oh my God, please tell me that I put the cash in here. All right, so how this works is a snowball. Usually it's a dead snowball, but we're doing a saving snowball. I have all my categories get $5 each, and they have been fully, this 1, 2, 3, 4 have been fully funded. So this $20 is going to go into here, and then each category after will get the 5. This will also get the 5, so this snowball now is getting $25. So cable and Wi-Fi is fully funded, subscriptions is fully funded, cell phones is fully funded, and kitties is fully funded. So common fees is going to get $25. There is some false money in here, 10, 20, for that's because it's in the high yield. Most of this is in the high yield account. But all right, we're going to put the 25 in here, and we can color 2. 1, 2, but they're $10 each. So we got those 2 colored. I mean, we're super close. We might be able to color these. This might be fully funded next time. Oh my God, I'm so excited. All right, now electricity is 300. And I realized I colored this wrong when I was editing last week's video. They're $10 each, and I colored it like it was 5. Now there's $10, so it's correct. All right, so electricity, car payment. These is also $10 each, so we can color one of these. All right. This is like one of the best ideas ever when it comes to saving money. If you can't save with saving challenges and play like some of us do, then that's fine. But to have a 1 month ahead, even if you do, this is 15, so I can't color one of these, car insurance. Even if you do one of these and put $1 in each time, it might take you a while to get there, but you will eventually get there. Oh my God, and how, these are 25 each, and there's only 10, so we're just gonna stuff it. You know, how nice would it be to have that cushion, whether it's for an emergency or 1 month ahead? I do not use this to pay my bills 1 month ahead. I use this in case something happens to myself or my husband. We have $10. We have $10. We have money to pay bills 1 month ahead, like for 1 month. So that's what I use this fund for. Some people pay their bills a month ahead. I do not. My people get their money on time. But this is for, like I said, if there's some kind of emergency, or you're out of work, he's out of work, whoever's out of work, and you need whatever, something happens. These are $20 each, groceries and gas. So we're not coloring that for another 2 or 3 weeks. All right, there we go, friends. Mini Mondays and 1 month ahead has been updated. So, oh my God, we are so close to funding this. Let me count the whole thing, because I didn't do that. And then this one will get 25. Oh my God, it's just gonna start. Once it starts to snowball, then you're really set to go. All right, so this is what's in the high yield. But let's mix these bills in so I can count it properly. Right? Right. All right, here we go. I'm a money-making mess. There is an odd amount in here. Hold on. 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. I will, there's like $4. I will make this even, so it's an even amount when it goes into the high yield account, because you know them extra 4s and 5s and 3s and 6s, they don't balance. I need it all to balance and be even. All right, friends, that's it. Thank you for spending some of your time with me today. I really appreciate it more than words can say. If you miss me and you need some entertainment, I'm gonna put a playlist right here, watch party. If you want to watch some of my videos, you might be entertained and laugh along the way. I'm working really hard to get to my 4,000 hours. And over here, I'm not quite sure what I'll post. Maybe something that I think will interest you best. So that's it. Thanks, friends. Stay savvy. See you in the next one. Bye.